Imagine waking up one day and you find out that the internet has found the person you've been trying to hide. Hmm? They even go as far as finding his social security number. They try to find out his salary, his home address. Yeah, one of my colleagues are they have overgone. I need that word. They have gone like when steak is well done. My colleagues, their congratulations to excellent because oh we see this is not even like Wendy Williams style. This is like not even real Koboza style. Awa. Ngiyanamukela kunkqubo yami bomntu abakadadi bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-anti bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We have a special that ends tomorrow because our analytics are amazing. Like you guys are tuning in. I wish you'd also subscribe too, but I will take what I can get. So yeah, 200 special is back on, 400 for businesses. Let's not even argue, please. I thank you. Yeah. Now, Tato Rampedi is upset. Okay? Lerato Ngumalo has woken up to a nightmare, and you guys are still at it with me. Why? It's 2025. It's literally 2025. Do you like talking like I love talking? I think half of my nagements loves talking like I love talking. And you love to watch people that love yapping like we love to yap. Well, we have got Uberta Sandra, who is a premium yapper, but she just does not yap only, okay? She also gives us lifestyle and she vlogs. But one thing about her, so please, thank you for continuously supporting the channels that we plug here on management. Please do the same with Bertha and say Sims has sent you over there. Bertha, take over.
Hi everyone, my name is Betha Sandra and I hope you're all doing all right. I obviously here to introduce my channel, but anyways, I do more of lifestyle vlogs. I do sit down and chit chats because your girl likes to yap. I would really appreciate if you all subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment. I hope to see you joining my little family. Thank you so much, Sim, for this opportunity. So I will catch you on my channel. Bye.
Yeah, Luna. Ulebu has made Tato upset. Okay, you know what happened, right? You guys remember? I think it's an ongoing joke on Twitter. You remember? I think it was last year or the year before when Utato Rampedi, obviously he said he now is the owner of Rampedi Media, and he was looking for interns, but he said that was not going to pay the interns. Like he never mind Cyril's economy. He is not the Rice Krispies to your Kellogg's. If you want to be his intern, you must do it because you are volunteering. Yeah? Who do you need money for transport? Shut up. When you must just volunteer your time and hours to get that experience at Tato's company, right? So people are like, I never. Ini free labor. Oh, see. Oh, you don't care whether you are YouTube black, YouTube green, assholes. So then it started becoming like an ongoing joke on Twitter. When you go work hard or you're like, oh guys, I'm an employee at Rampedi Media. Like when your day is going bad and there's no money, you're like, oh, I'm an employee at Rampedi Media. Now Ulebu also put that on their bio, right? And said, intern at Rampedi Media. Tato caught wind of that and he said, what? Remove that. You're not an employee. You're not an employee of Rampedi Media. If you don't remove that within 24 hours, you will know from me. Okay? I have lawyers and they're not from FNB. They're not from Legal Wise. They're not from Scorpion. They are proper lawyers. Yeah? My lawyers, they have an appointment card. Don't you dare remove that from your page. delete that from your page. And then Ulebo comes back to Twitter and is like, guys, did you really think that I'm an intern at Rampedi Media? No, you guys are like not fine anymore, whatever, whatever. But yeah, Utato was not happy about that. So remove that off your page. You are not an intern at Rampedi Media because you do not uphold the ethics and the moral code and the company culture of Tato's company. You do not align with their social media posts and how their ethics align. Yours are not aligned as theirs. No, that's not me. I'm paraphrasing what he wrote here. So please delete it off your page. Too boring topic. Mihlali skin again. You know why I'm saying it's a boring topic, guys? Yesterday they posted a picture of Mihlali's face without makeup on Twitter, and people are like, someone was like, "I have so much to say, but let me keep quiet." Yeah, because Mihlali has always, if you are a day one Mihlali watcher person, you know why she even started her YouTube channel. Mihlali has always said that she has acne prone skin, which is why she even started learning how to do makeup to cover the acne. She's been using different products for years and years and years, trying to treat her skin. And you know how unpredictable skin is. One time it's amazing. Next time it's got splotches. The other time it's got this. The other time it's got that. So like trying to like shame someone for their skin when they've always come on social media to say, Hori, actually, this is how I started my page because I had skin issues and I wanted to learn how to do makeup. So like let's try something else. Like, what's the tea? What's the juice? That is really, please stop it. Guys, stop. It's easy to like look at myself and say, I did not go to law school. So why do I want to lawyer? Why do I want to lawyer? Because lawyering does not start with the African chemical engineering. It just starts here. And you're like, every time you see someone that has something gooder that you don't have right now because you don't know the world changes. You might have it tomorrow, but because now you are busy focusing on that other person's one, you're like, you become a lawyer, and you did not go to UNISA to study law. Don't do it. Don't do it. My colleagues come here. My colleagues come here. If you're not my colleague, you can end this video here. You can end the video. My colleagues, you guys are far gone. You guys went and exposed Lerato Nxumalo's husband from his picture to his social security number to trying to find his salary to even putting out his home address and number. Why, my colleagues? Why, my colleagues? I need to, if Lerato wanted to show us her husband, she would have done that. But she didn't. So why can't we talk about everything else that is already out there? Why go dig and what? You know, there are so many cases that are unsolved that you can really put those investigative journalism skills towards, you know? And guys, let me tell you, now, in as much as I blame my colleagues, it's not my colleagues that come with this information. It's the subscribers, it's the followers, it's the supporters, okay? You know why I say that? Because this is Salty's page, right? Salty is the one that came with the story of showing us Lerato's husbands. Anyway, it was the subscriber, I mean the follower that came with the information to the DMs and was like, here's Lerato's husband, blah 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 blah. Okay, you've shown us him. Now we've seen him. Now what must can do can happen. You did it for our entertainment. We are not entertained. In fact, we are worried. Hurry, do you not have any other thing that keeps you occupied that you go to these lengths? This lengths? Guys, this is the reason why people hate entertainment channels, they hate gossip channels, they hate commentary channels. This is why our name is always put under disrepute because really we do the craziest things for views, stories, and likes. And when you are in this niche, in this catalog, really, you need to like think long and hard. Ne? Even if to you it is just about the money or it is just about the views and the likes. But deep, 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 deep down inside, you have to know that you are also a human being and that the next day the wheel turns and the next day it's going to be you facing the storm. And how would you like, because your story is always going to be out there, but how would you like your story to be said? Like, where is the human element in our catalog? Where is the human dynamic in our catalog? Me, if you come to my channel, guys, I don't speak about children. I don't speak about pregnancy. I let people announce their own pregnancy. And I have a reason for that. I've been pregnant before. And even if I was never pregnant before, in our culture as a black woman, these things are sacred. You never know. You guys, you see someone that's pregnant already, seems Mang is pregnant, and then they have a miscarriage, and then we've already announced it. And then who are they going to come and shoot with their AK-47? Me, because why? Ngiphaphile. So I don't announce people's pregnancies before they announce their own pregnancies. Ne? If someone has hidden someone, it is not for me to go and dig and search. I'm a commentary channel. I'm not an investigative journalism of Deborah Petter, third degree. And if someone comes to me with a story, they themselves is their story and they would like me to break that story. Of course, yes, thank you for the exclusive. We will do it. And then if you later feel uncomfortable, that's one word I can say, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable table. You know what? Then it's okay. We can remove the story. It doesn't matter how you get there. You will get there. If you want to get to 100,000 subscribers in this way, you will get there very quickly. But you know, Khori, it's going to be a lonely road up there. Okay? If you want to go the ethical way, it's going to take longer. Trust me, I know. It took me forever to get to 100,000 subscribers. But listen, I got there. And I got there with peace in my heart. You know? And yes, this is a road that you learn. Because this industry, it's got ups and downs, ups and downs. Sometimes you learn the hard way. You're gonna do a story and then you're gonna see the backlash of that story, and then you're like, oh, okay. So yes, sometimes we learn the hard way. But that's why it's learn from our mistakes. Like especially us, the ones that started like a while ago, learn from our mistakes. Not we came here very immature, very excited to be the first one to break a story, to be the first one to do this, to do this. Then you learn what there are consequences to those actions. And then you learn from your mistakes. And then you try and teach others so that they don't have to go that route. Okay? Please, guys, man. You know how I picture news and gossip and entertainment? Like Boril Koposa style, like Wendy Williams style. Wendy Williams talks about people, right? And then she invites them to sit on their couch. She can still face the people she talks about. So that's how like I do me also. I'm like, I'm going to meet these people in the streets. I'm going to meet these people wherever. They know I talk about them and I have to talk about them because it's stories that are already out there. But now when I talk to them, do I need to kuta? Do I need to hide? We can be in the same room. We don't have to be friends. I don't want to be your friend because you are my product and service. But we can be amicable, you know. Now when you have to be there in it, ngama specs, ngama yabona once my lose fihle. Yabona ukuthi ku wrong. Yabona ukuthi ku wrong. No, my colleagues, let's do better. Man, it should be like Angazi, it should not be vile. You remember when YouTube was so vile for the past 2 years? We even turned on each other as colleagues. We even started throwing each other under the bus. We became the hot topics. Was it nice when we were talking about each other and throwing each other under the bus? How did it feel when you were the topic? You see? So, yes, your story, once it's out there, it's going to be talked about. But do you want to be talked about in such a vile manner, exposed? Be the no, guys, man. My colleagues, man. No, don't, no, no, no. Let's not do the engine. Let's do better. Ning pogile. Yabona kule? Ning pogile strong.